netizens! Welcome to my vlog again, and today is December 1 and it's currently 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and right now pupunta tayo sa MOA to watch the cheer dance competition of UAAP this year. Actually, very late na kami, tapos na yung UE tsaka yung Ateneo, and ngayon ang magpo-perform na yung UST, so late na talaga kami, but we're 14 minutes away, siguro naman maaabutan namin yung. So, yun lang naman talaga yung papanood namin. National University lang, tsaka FEU. Ayun, malapit na kami.
Bye. Thank you.
Hi guys! So today is December 2 and it's currently 7:30 p.m. in the evening. So kakatapos ko lang din mag-dinner. And actually today is Pasay Day. So wala kaming class and ang errands ko lang talaga for now is mag-rest. And also have to study for quiz. And meron akong tatapusin na writing for reflection. And nagkaayaan lang din yung friends ko na mag-coffee sa labas. Diyan na siguro kami sa NLEX. Hey guys, ngayon nakasundo lang sa akin na Richmond and magsusundo lang kami ng friends. Taray naman ng kanggulo. DJ pala to eh. yung gusto ko family.
Picture na. Sino talaga kayo? Tara pa, pre. Uwi na kami. Wala ka tayo. Ayun, pagka lang.
Hi guys! So today is December 3 and it's currently 6:40 p.m. in the evening. And right now we're here at Hacienda. So this is the best time for you to go here kasi sobrang daming sale. Umaabot talaga ng 70% off. And most likely yung mga items dito is buy one take one or like buy four and take four. Ganun siya. So if you're planning to buy Christmas gifts for your loved ones, punta ka na dito. Hi vlog! So ngayon, nandito kami sa...
Arcovia! So guys, ganito pala daw dapat yung costume sa Halloween parties.
Ano Portland?
Lakad kami ganun dito.
To 8. 1 per day. Good morning guys! So today is December 7 and it's currently 11 a.m. in the morning na. And ang ganap ko today is meron kami Christmas special event in World Trade Center. So it will start in 3 p.m. So I need to get ready na because I will be taking off by 12:30 p.m. in the noon.